Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to our online maths classroom. Okay, without wasting time, we can directly get into the topic. Nowadays, we are learning the international system, and in the international system, yes, in the previous class, we have learned how to write the number name of a number in international system, isn't it? Today, let's try to learn how to write a numeral in international system if the number name is given. That is our next session. So write the topic, write the given numbers or write the numeral, for the given numbers. Have you written today, to date and day before start writing? Yes. Write the numeral for the given numbers in international system. International system. Write the numeral for given numbers in international system. Okay, write down the first one. So, number name will be given and we have to write the numeral for that number name, isn't it? Yes, write down 3 million 795,795 795,000 829 829 829. This is the number name. Okay, just listen how to do it. Okay, in the given number name, which is the number in millions period? Which is the number in millions period? We have 3 in millions period, isn't it? We have 3 in millions period. So, how much million? In the answer, 3 million. Okay, after millions period, we have to put one comma, isn't it? Then, which is the number in thousands period? How many thousands? How many thousands are there? How many thousands are there? 795,000. Then we have to put one comma, isn't it? 795,000. 795,000. So which is the number in thousands period? 795,000. Okay, that's over. Then we have our ones period, which is the number in ones period? 829. Which is the number in ones period? 829. So what we have to do, right? 829 in our ones period. Pardon. This is the required answer. Okay, is it clear? Now let's move on to the second one. Second one, B. Question number B. Please write down B. B, the question is 9 million. Please write down 9 million 8,000. How many thousand? 8. 8,000 9,008,031. 31. Okay. After writing the question, stop writing and listen here. Don't write anything now. Stop writing and listen. Okay, clearly, what is the number in millions period? Millions period. After million, we have to put one comma. What is the number in millions period? Here we have 9. 9 is in millions period. That we know. Please don't write now. Just listen. And after millions period, we have our which period in international system? We have our thousands period. Which is the number in thousands period? This is our thousand. Then we have to put one comma. And which is the number in thousands period? 8 is the number in thousands period. So, in the answer, in thousands period, can we write 8 like this? Can we write like this? In thousands period, they have given only 8. So, can we write like this in thousands period and put one comma after this? No. Why? Why? Yes. As per international system, in thousands period, we should have 3 places. Which are the places in thousands period in international system? First one, we have thousands place. Then we have 10,000 place. Then we have 100,000 place. 3 places are there in international system, isn't it? In thousands period. In the first place, 8,000 means 8 is in thousands place. 8,000, the question is given 8,000 means 8 is in thousands place. So what about 10,000 place and 100,000 place? What about 10,000 and 100,000 places? Can they be left blank like this without writing anything? Can we write? Can we leave them blank? No. So what we have to do? Instead of that, what we have to do? We can't leave the spaces blank. So what we have to do? In those places, we have to put zeros, isn't it? We have to put zeros in that places. So number 008 is in our thousands period. Okay. In our thousands period, we have 008. So, we can't write 9 in millions period, 8 in thousands period like this. This is wrong. So, what have to be written instead of this? What is the proper way of writing the answer? What is the proper way of writing the given answer? Yes, in millions period, we have 9. And in thousands period, we have 8. But 3 places should be there in thousands period. So, what we have to do? 008. Okay. Then what about our ones period? 31. Ones period also we should have 3 places. Ones, tens, 100. Isn't it? 31 means 1 in ones place and 3 in tens place. And what about hundreds place? As in the previous thousands place, we have hundreds place also we have to. As we have done in the thousands period, in ones period also we have to put 1 0 in which place? Hundreds place. So, 31 has to be written as 031. Can we write just 31? Can we write just 31 here? No, this is wrong. So, what shall be written there? What should be written there? 031. Okay, is it clear? So, in ones period we have 031. This is the required numeral 9,08,031. Is it clear for you? Okay, let's try to do the third one. Try to do the third question. Question number C. 200,454. 200,000. 200,000. 200,000 454. 454. Our question is 200,454. So, is there any number in millions place? Millions period? No. Only we have thousands and ones periods are there. In thousands period, what is the number? 200. 200. In thousands period, we should have 3 places, and in 200 also we have 3 places. So, no problem, we can write 200,000, then comma. Then in ones period, 451 in 451. 454. 454 is the answer. This is easy, isn't it? Next one, D. Write down D. D is 7,13,615. 13,000 615. 615. Our question is 7,13,615. So what is the answer? How many million? How much? What is the number in millions period? 7 million. So after 7, 1 comma, isn't it? Then how many thousand? Which is the number in thousands period? 13,000. 13,000 means 1, 10, sorry. Which are the places in thousands period? The places in thousands period are 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. But they have given only 2 places, 13,000. 13 in 13, 3 in thousands period, 1 in 10,000 period. What about 100,000 period? We have to put 1 0, isn't it? As it has been explained in the previous problem. So how many thousand? 13,000. So please write 013. Yes, then 615. In one period we have 615, isn't it? 615. This is the required number name. Hope you understood it well. So note down the homeworks of this session. Homeworks. Note down the homeworks of this session. E homework. E the question is 5 million 498,000 498,000 140 140 14 no 40. F also homework. 5 million 6,000 1. Be very careful while doing this problem. Very important. 5,006,001. In thousands period we should have 3 places. In ones period also we should have 3 places. Okay. Try to do. And let's move on to our next question of this today's next question. Write down the next question. Question number 2. Write the following numbers in Indian system. Question number 2. Please don't write the number. Just section. Next section. Write the following numbers. Write the following numbers in Indian system. Indian system. This is the question. So naturally the numbers will be given in international system. That have to be converted to Indian system, isn't it? Yeah, okay. Okay, write down directly, please. Note down the first question. The number is 2 million 365,000 365,000 365,000 412 The given number is 2,364,412. So the question is, we have to write this in the Indian system. That means the number name in Indian system. For that, what can we do? What we have to do? Yes, first we have to write the numeral for this number. Is it clear? First we have to write the numeral for this number in Indian system. So international system. So please write international system. International. Enough. International. What is the numeral? We have done earlier. No? 2 million means 2 in millions period. 365,000 means 365 in thousands period, isn't it? And 412 means 412 in 12 in this period, 1 period. So next step is, we have to write this number name in Indian system. Sorry, numeral in Indian system. For that, write Indian system. Indian system, enough. For that, what we have to do? For converting this into Indian system, first we have to write the number without commas, isn't it? First we have to write the number without commas. So what is the number? Okay, let me write above. No spaces here, I think. Okay. Yes. Okay, next we have to write the numeral in Indian system. Okay, right, Indian system. What is the numeral? For writing the numeral in Indian system, first we have to write it without any commas. 2, 3, 6, 5, then 4, 1, 2. This is the number, isn't it? Then next step is what? Our aim is to write the number name in international system. For that, next step is what? What we have to do? Yes, mark the places as, number name in international, no, Indian system. So for that, we have to mark the places as per the Indian system. Mark the places, please, as per Indian system. Which are the places? Ones, tens, hundreds, comma. We are doing the Indian system. We are trying to convert the international system into Indian system. So then which are the places in thousands period in Indian system? Thousands place and 10,000 place. Is there any 100,000 place in Indian system? No. Then we have lakhs place and 10 lakhs place. Okay. This is the number in Indian system. So now can we write the number name in Indian system? Which is the number name in Indian system? Now, which is the number name of this number? Which are, how many lakhs? Which is in lakhs place? How many lakhs? Yes, 23 lakhs. Okay, write down. Number name. Number name. Or without writing this, you can just write the number name. The number name is how much lakh? How much lakh? 23 lakh. 23 lakh. Okay. Then how much thousand? What is the number in thousand spirit? How much thousand? Yes. 65,000. 65,000. And in one spirit, 412, isn't it? 412. So for converting a number in international system to Indian system, what we have to do? First write the numeral in international system, then write the numeral in Indian system, then write the number name in Indian system. Okay? Okay, let's try to do the second question. Second one, B. Have you understood the concept? Okay, let's try to do the second one. Question B is, write down the number will be given in international system and we have to convert it into Indian system. The given number in international system is 5 million 162,100 162,910. So they have given the question and it has to be converted to the Indian system. For that, what is the first step? What is the first step? First we have to, yes, write the number name as per numeral as per international system, isn't it? International system. What is the numeral as per the international system? How many million? 5 million, isn't it? So million spirit 5. Okay. Then we have how many thousand? 162,000 and 910 in one spirit, 910, isn't it? So this is our numeral in international system. And what is the next step? This numeral has to be converted to the numeral in Indian system, isn't it? Then only we can write the number name in Indian system. So for that, please write Indian system. So it is given in international system now. It has to be converted to Indian system. Okay. Now write Indian system. Indian system. Okay. How can we convert this into Indian system? For that, what we have to do? What should be done for that? First, write the numbers without the comma. Isn't it? 5, 1, 6, 2, 9, 1, 0. And what is the next step? What is the next step? Yes, write the commas as per, write the places as per Indian system. Why? Our aim is to convert into Indian system, isn't it? So, ones place, tens place, hundreds place, comma. Then, as per Indian system, we have that thousands place and 10,000 place, isn't it? Then, comma. Is there any 100,000 place? Yes, no. Then lakhs place and 10 lakhs place. Now, can we name the number now? Can we name this number now? Yes, we can. What is the number name then? As per Indian system, what is the number name? How many lakhs? In lakh spirit, 51. That means 51 lakh, isn't it? Yes, write down 51 lakh. And how many thousand? 62,000. 62,000. And in one spirit, 910, isn't it? 910. Please write neatly by slanting towards the right side. That is the proper way of writing the English language. Since I am writing on the DH screen, I may not be write neatly, but you have to write. Don't write like this. Some students write the word award like this. W in this direction, H in this direction, A in this direction, T in this direction. Is the way to write the word what? What? No. Or can we write like this? W, H, A, T, what? Can we write in the by slanting towards the left? No. Actually, in English, the letter should be written slanting towards the right. That means W, H, A, T, what? This is the proper way. Okay. Try to write neatly. Okay, next. Let's move on to our third question. C. Please note down C. C. The question is, the given number is 400. Sorry. 1 minute. Let me check. Yes. 789,000. 789,000 367. 367. What is the number name? 789,367. So for that, what we have to do first? Yes, it has to be written in terms of numerals in international system, isn't it? International system. Okay. What is there any number in million spirit? No. So next we have thousand spirit. Which is the number in thousand spirit? 789, isn't it? 789 in thousand spirit. And in one spirit we have 367. 367. This is our numeral in international system. Now we have to convert this into Indian system. First we have to convert this into what? Yes, numeral in Indian system. Then on seeing that, we can write the number name in Indian system, isn't it? Okay, now write Indian system. While writing Indian, international and all, first letter should be written capital. I, this way also you can write. Okay. What is the number in Indian system? What is this number in Indian system? For that, what is the first step? First write without commas, isn't it? So please write 7, 8, 9, 3, 6, 7. Okay. What is the next step? Yeah, mark the places as per Indian system. Which are the places? Ones, tens, hundreds, comma. Then as per Indian system, 1,000, 10,000, isn't it? Comma. Then we have lakh. Now 100,000 here. Now can we read this number? Can we read this number now? As per Indian system, what is the number name? How much lakh? Lakh? 7 lakh, isn't it? 7 lakh 7 lakh. How much thousand? 89,000. Isn't it? 89,000. 7 lakh 89,000. Yes. Next, how much in one spirit? 367, isn't it? 367. 67. Okay. So, hope the concept is clear now. So, note down the homework. D and E are homework. Note down D. D homework. D, the question is 1 million 215,000 600. This number name has to be converted to the number name in Indian system. That is our question. Homework. E, the number is 400 8,000 408,000 161. 408,161. This is also homework. Try to do the homework today itself. Learn the topics up to date. Thank you. Have a nice day.